Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update both devices and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so pairing is reliable. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. This initiates the secure BLE handshake that transfers settings. Once done, position the devices close together and follow the animated viewfinder step so the devices can exchange certificates. This is why proximity matters. If you see a manual pairing option, use it only if the automatic animation fails, because the viewfinder is faster and less error-prone. Now you decide whether to set up as new or restore from a backup. Restoring preserves your app layout, health data, and settings, which saves time. Sign in with your Apple ID to enable continuity features. This is why authentication matters for calls and messages. Make choices for location, Siri, and cellular so services behave correctly, and set a passcode to secure Apple Pay and health data. Once you select which apps to install, the iPhone begins transferring them. Watch for progress and keep both to finish by waiting for synchronization to hit 100% and completing any remaining Apple ID confirmations. This finalizes permissions and keychain sync. Test a call, a notification, and a health entry so you know data is flowing. If cellular is enabled, confirm the carrier setup on the watch. If something goes wrong, like stuck syncing, unpairing from the watch app safely erases and backs up the watch, then restart both devices and repair. That often resolves corrupted connections without losing your backup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.